In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow a task in Wrike. Let's walk through this together step by step so you know exactly what to look for on your screen and what each click is actually doing. By the end, you'll be able to quickly stop receiving updates from any task that's no longer relevant to you, while still keeping your workspace organized. First, start by opening Wrike and navigating to the project or folder where the task is located. Once you're there, look through your task list and select the specific task you want to unfollow. This might be something you were involved in earlier, but no longer need constant notifications about. Click on that task to open its detailed view. You should now see all the information related to that task, like its description, comments, and assignees. Next, look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu. In Wrike, this is usually located near the top right corner of the task window. It may be next to other buttons like Share, Add to Favorites, or other task controls. Take a second to make sure you've actually clicked on the task first. The three dots you want are the ones connected to that specific task's details. Once you've found the three dots, click on them. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options related to the task. In this menu, look for the option labeled Follow. If you're currently following the task, this option should be active, often indicating that you're subscribed to updates. To unfollow the task, simply click on Follow. In many interfaces, this works like a toggle switch. Clicking it when you are already following will turn the follow status off. After you click, you should no longer be following the task, which means you'll stop receiving updates and notifications for it. This is especially useful if you're trying to reduce noise in your inbox or notification center and focus only on the tasks that really matter to you right now. If you want to double check, you can open the same menu again and confirm that the task no longer shows you as actively following it. That's all there is to it. Select the task, click on the three dots, and then click on Follow to unfollow it.